Hi guys, Justin Terhune here with Inaba Denko America, and today we are back with another tips and tricks video. Now in today's brief video, we are going to discuss the best way to cut Inaba Denko America's Slimduct SD End Fitting. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you've already taken your chances at a few different methods. Sawzalls, razor blades, maybe PVC cutters. And I think it's safe to say you'll be pleased with your findings today. So we'll jump right in. What is the best way to cut Inaba Denko's Slimduct SD End Fitting? And the answer to your question is a pair of snips. They could be rights, they could be lefts. I've seen people use straights. Here I've got a pair of notches, but these will work just fine. Quick tip, there are measurements all the way down, let you know, kind of determine how many lines you've got coming out. What I would always suggest is to go a little smaller. You definitely want it tighter, not loose, and you can always cut another notch off. You can't add one back on. So it's as simple as, I like to start right here in the corner, and then we'll kind of cut that away, just like that. And you can see how easy that went. I'll do the same thing on the other side. One quick cut there, we'll cut that away. And now we can very easily, since I'm using a right hand side, we'll go to the right. And you can, I mean, this is pretty effortless, almost like using scissors on a piece of paper. And there you have it. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. We love to keep you up to date on cool tips and tricks. And feel free to follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram. We love to keep you up to date on everything out there that's new in our industry and what might be new in your area. Until next time.